and I saw this little bastard. No, look at him.
Oxi! Vai a ração. Será que ele quer? Quer nada? Peraí.
Feed them, but don't be scared. Here's turkeys. Jack, don't.
Curious cows.
Snowy faces. Hey, Pudge. Hi.
Sheep are cute, but sheep with snowy faces? Next level. Chickens might be small, but they're mighty.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this insaneness. What? Come on, go. Hut. Come on, go. Hut.
This is how I find out goats can laugh?
You're actually pretty good. Hey, come. What are you?
Sir, you're not supposed to—
Don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Those were my grandma's ashes!
No regrets.
Get out of the house!
What have you done?
The kind of sass that cannot be contained.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Nope, just napping.
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off.
Come down. Oh my days. No. Not the roof. Not the roof. Not the f***ing roof. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump.
Doesn't get more farm fresh than this.
Come here. What are you doing?
He's not even stuck, just
in
vibing.
there? That's some kind of...
I mean, she's having a better summer than me.
Mais Charlotte? Mais...
Charlotte, this isn't a self-serve restaurant.
Merci.
Rufus loves bananas.
Ducks love—
Hey!
My train! My train!
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
Hey, Lee. Almighty.
just horsing around.
Jack! They're just turkeys.
Cogburn the rooster delivered a life lesson. No words needed.
What you see in the mirror is just your perception, okay? It doesn't have to be like that. Other people see.
Now how did that get there? Top mode of transport right there.
Maybe I shouldn't have left the footbath like that. One is looking for the escape route. No. Please don't jump over. Just come back. No, you!
Sheep are not exactly known for following. She woke up and chose violence. I aspire to be as unbothered as this horse.
Hey. What in the are you doing?
Hey, can I help you with something?
Mad. But at least we're all together.
Kept your feelings locked inside of you. Open your heart and chances are.
That's the farm version of silent judgment.
Okay. So,
Excuse me, he's beautiful.
to heart, and also the camera.
Milo? Milo, let's go.
Have you signed up for your car's extended warranty? Do it now!
Oh!
I would not mess with him.
Holly, stop my cigarette.
How to get grandma to quit smoking cold turkey? Bring in a chicken.
Come here. Bean. Come on, Bean. Bean. Come here.
Helping Dad fix the window.
There we go. Just had to see what I'm working with here. Hey, hey. Stand up.
The help the cow.
In case you thought turkeys were boring.
Who's so handsome? Who's
He just found out he's handsome. Average day at the goat farm.
Can you feed him? Because I think he's really hungry.
Yeah, I think he can see that.
Okay, feed him. Feed him.
So much, what do I do with you?
Birdie Sanders, how you doing? Morning, Birdie. There you go, Kyle. Kyle!
Go on, buddy. You know you want to. Come here, sweetie.
Hey, man, you got a problem? Hey, what's the deal? What's the problem? What did I ever do to you? You're being pretty.
Straight from the source. This is personal. That installation bag knows what it did. That's a federal offense in progress. Vive la révolution!
Hey, stop lah.
Your nose is not. There you go.
I wonder what this crowd is for.
Hey.
Hey, Bacon. 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 Hello.
He does not like that no.
On. I know.
That no was clear as day.
And there he goes.
Ja, zo ja. Zo, even voor de film. Even voor de film.
Efficient? He identifies as a horse. Who needs a guard dog when you have a cat?
And every morning we come out here, we go, morning, boys! And they love it.
A very formal debate about corn.
Big one now. They love it!
I told you, I don't want to go and get behind that barrel.
Sakta makala. Agam chosu tayo ng agam chang. Alda ka sa dito makamala. Hey, stop lah.
With that much effort, she deserves to be free. How to tire your opponent out 101.
He's gonna have you.
It's raining and we can't walk. This is where everybody's at.
They've unlocked maximum zen. These chickens have never seen snow before.
It's okay.
She just wants to be part of the force.
Go.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
The goat has entered its spa era. When your cow doesn't like the new food. This horse is a heavy metal fan.
Jack, get up! Oh man. Okay. Jack.
Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Oh, mate.
Sorry, I can't go to work today. I have a cat on my lap.
Well, you're fired.
That's okay.
Right now? What are you doing?
Having fun?
Come on. Come on, let's get you out of here. We gotta untangle you. Come on, let's twist you around. Come on.
With cows, it's never a dull day. Horses have a sweet tooth. They ignored their own dinner to try and steal the horses.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you. That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car.
Good idea.
Really? Cool.
Morning! Oj, varsågod. Nej, jag vill titta dig.
He likes his meal.
Good boy.
I applaud the attempt. He'll get it next time. They're just horsing around.
He'll get you, man. It's the YouTube moment, man.
Why do women live longer? Men.
This one keeps his like piggy. Come here.
Oh! Away! Away!
How are you gonna get out? You want help?
Turkeys can't be real. This cow decides when it's dinner time. Yeah, suddenly you're not so brave.
Bye-bye, we gotta get you, man.
Every barn has that one cow that can't keep it together.
Why is there a goat? Guys! What? Goat!
Turn your back for 1 second and there's a goat on the couch. That's one way to keep the fights at bay. When you let your intrusive thoughts win.
Right in the face. Go. Okay, get it on her.
This is why llamas don't get invited to kids' parties. She uses 100% of her brain. You just never know what you're about to walk into with goats. Turning around was a crucial mistake. This man's laugh is 40% joy, 60% fear.
Can you say hey?
Hey.
Hey?
Hey.
I did not expect that.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
This sheep is not union approved. This cow wanted to test the theory. Is the grass greener on the other side?
Fat.
Moo drift, Tokyo cow. I see where they got the inspo for Tigger.
No. Like I was saying, it is Friday fit check. This is a fit, it is a gym fit. Can you not, please, I'm begging you. Stop hitting me.
He longs to be an inside pig, but his farm needs him.
Goat, huh? Come here. Don't run away.
Tom Cruise?
Go on. Go on, get back. Go on.
At least they didn't panic. These mamas are a unit. Never seen cows this clear about their choice. I would be so intimidated by this.
Hello. Good morning, buddy. Hi.
Rage baiting chicken?